Yes, students, today for our case study video, we are discussing about cattle management process of activities. For that, we consider two type of companies. One is Nexa and another one is Vacapay. Let's we discuss about Nexa. It is a company. It's monitoring the cattle, especially cow-related aspect. How we are going to maintain the cow, what is the difficulty the cows are facing. For that, Vakapet is an entirely different company. It is a fintech company for giving loan process of activities to the farmers based on the cattle management. I think it is a different scenario for our case study. Let's we discuss about that thing. Okay. Yeah.
So when we are seeing in Nexa, they are providing new facility where they implant microprocessor in the cow, and with that microprocessor, we are able to detect many things in the cow. It is like compared to the regular way of monitoring cattle, this is more better because it shows many features within a one microprocessor, and since it's very easy to inject within cows, it can be quickly adaptable by many cattle.
And in cattle they are injecting that microprocessor in ears, like a small cut in the ears and place it in the it shows like a heartbeat and a pp and a temperatures and any vital changes in the cow. So it gives a more time efficiency, like if the cattle was sick, then we will treat that make a lot of time and money. It's reduced that time and money, so it's very effective in cattle farming.
So actually in this cattle management, mostly the cow cattle are targeted towards this problem, and when
the process almost it is cattle related, so it is monitoring health conditions of cattle is very difficult when we are using that. This technology, it is highly high end, so it may be useful to farmers. Even farmer was uneducated, it is helpful to the, if cattle was sick means it's automatically give the information to the veterinarians also. So the Nexa, it's create a wonderful technology, I think so. Okay.
So majorly cattle are in large scale.
Yes.
Like if it's a large scale, a single doctor or vet can't treat each and every cow. So even if a vet is trained, still he may find some defects and he can't cure. So using that device, he can precisely monitor the health and temperature 24/7.
Okay. Nexa, it's giving a cattle process of cattle health management process of activities. Vaga, it is an entirely different company. Iman, you will say about Vaga.
Yes.
What is the technology they are using? What is the purpose? Okay.
So when coming to Vacapay, it's a fintech company. Mainly they focus on giving loans for farmers with the cattle. Whatever the cattle have, they process loans for. So what the problem they identified is one farmer can get multiple loans with having one cattle. So that's a problem we should prevent. So to prevent that problem, they have newly brought up a technology called as the muzzle detection technology. So as we have the fingerprint for humans, cattle have a separate fingerprint like in the nose part. So it is called as the muzzle. So what they do is they capture the muzzle and see whether the cow is already enrolled in their database or it's a new cow. Whether it's a new cow, they'll be sending the cow for the loan process. But if it's already enrolled, they won't be providing the loan for it. So how this technology works is it's trained on thousands of images of cows' muzzle. So what happens is they have used a technology called as the ResNet model. It is a CNN model. It traces the beads and ridges in the cow's nose part. So based on that, it creates an array of embeddings. So these embeddings help the model to predict whether the cow is a new or already enrolled. So this is how they process loans in the Vacapay company.
Because why we are discussing about these two companies for case studies means, especially to helping the farmers only. One is loan processing activities. Farmers nowadays they are using more number of cattle for their lifestyle because it will helpful to improve the economic situation for the farmers. Health, if it is good for that particular cattle means automatically revenue income also more. Based on that, they will try to get more loans for buying another cattle also. So here we have two different technology. One is related to health of cattle management, and another one is loan process activities. Duplications will be avoided. Especially when we are already we have a subject like DBMS. In that DBMS, cattle enrollment process and duplications, avoiding things of activities we need to study. So only we are discussing about this case study for Nexa and Vacapay company. I think it may be useful to you for a better understanding. You try to visit the website and try to understand how they are maintaining the database management systems for your future studies. Thank you.